Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to log someone out of your Roblox account. So if you found out that your account is using by other device or someone, you just want to log them out of your Roblox account. Now to do that, if you are using your computer, you just go on the settings icon at the top right corner. Or if you are using mobile phone, you just tap these three dots at the bottom right corner. Then scroll down a bit and you'll find settings. Then here on settings, you will find security option. So just tap that one. Now here on security settings, I want you to scroll down until the bottom and then you will find all the locations where you're logged in. And if you found out that something suspicious right here on the location that's actually not you and you want to log them out, all you need to do is just tap that location right here. For example, I want to tap this location right here at the bottom, and then you will find this message shows up. It will show you the device details, the original location, and the last active. So you just tap this log out of sessions. But if you want to log out all of these accounts, you need to tap this log out of all other sessions and tap on log out to confirm your action. Now, if you've done that, you have to secure your account. So you need to go to account info, then you need to change your password immediately. Or you can go on security settings and add this authenticator app to secure your account. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like today's channel and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.